this matter.
Tura MP Saling Sangma has downplayed speculations that Congress party is out of the race in the Gambegre by-election, which is witnessing a multi-cornered contest. He said it is not correct to speculate that the fight will be only between two parties, as the decision lies with the people, not the parties. Informing that the party candidate Jengjang Marak would soon file his nomination, Sangma said such dramas and speculations are often created by political parties during election. Polling to the Gambegre Assembly constituency will be held on November 13th and counting on November 23rd.
I think election will be held on November 13th, and then no, the election is not between any parties. Election is about trusting the candidature who will be serving the people of that particular constituency and the state as a whole. It's not about any party, because there is no such stamp on any individual that he is NCP, he is NPP, he is Congress or any TMC. So it's wrong to say on the part of any party to say that it's a fight between the NPP, Congress or TMC like that. It's the people who will vote ultimately.
Meghalaya